I'm Liam the teacher, welcome back, it's a pleasure to have you. In this video we're going to be looking at punctuation names and matching them with the punctuation definition. And we're going to find out what each punctuation symbol means. So when we see those symbols we're going to know what they're called, but now we're going to look at what do they actually mean. As usual, all resources used in the video are available for download in PDF format via the Liam the Teacher website, and that site is www.liamtheteacher.com. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Without further ado, here goes. Okay, there are again two versions for this activity, and as you can see with the beginner version there is lots of color coding there. With both versions of the task we need to match the correct punctuation definitions with the correct punctuation names. And here we have the experience level, and as you can see there is not really any color coding other than the punctuation names are now blue and the punctuation definitions are now yellow. The task does remain the same. Okay, you are invited to pause the video whilst you complete this activity. And just to warn you again that on the next slide and the one after that will be the completed versions of both levels of this activity. So when you press play again, just be prepared that those will be on screen as well. Okay, welcome back. As promised, you can see on your screen the beginner level completed version of this activity. You are again invited to pause the video whilst you check those answers. If not, you may continue. Okay, and here is of course the experience level of this activity, the completed version, and you are invited again to pause the video whilst you check those answers on screen. If of course you wish to continue, please do so. Okay, we are going to give ourselves of course a well-deserved tick in answer to that question because we have found out more about what those symbols mean. Okay, and you might be thinking you need a bit more practice, so please do check out the next video in the Introduction to Punctuation series. Once again, it's been a pleasure to have you, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please also have a look at the Liam the Teacher website at www.liamtheteacher.com, and that's for more videos but also downloadable PDF resources. Thank you again, and I hope to see you very, very soon.